Weights of 67 college students in kilograms in September of freshman year are provided in the accompanying data set. We want to construct a frequency distribution. We're going to begin with a lower class limit of 40 kilograms and then use a class width of 10 kilograms. Does the distribution appear to be a normal distribution? Okay, so the first thing we do is we know that we have a lower class limit of 40. Now let's take a look at this data here. So this data has everything to the 10th place. Okay, so for the lower class limit, since we know our class width is 10, this is going to be 50, this is going to be 60, this is going to be 70, this is going to be 80, and then this is going to be 90. Now here, what we want to do, since we have a decimal, okay, and it's going to the 10th place, that means we're not just going to go to 49, it's going to be 49.9. And then the class width is 10, so this is going to be 59.9. And then adding 10 to 59.9 is 69.9. Adding 10 to 69.9 is 79.9. And then 89.9, and then 99.9. Okay, so now let's go ahead and then open this data up into StatCrunch. So we're going to open up this data into StatCrunch. And then we're going to come in here, we're going to select Stat. We're going to go down to where it says Tables and then select Frequency. We're going to select our column to be VAR1. We're going to select our frequency. And then we're going to scroll down and then we're going to select the bin numerical values. We're going to select that. We know that we're starting at the number 40. And we know that the bin or the class width is 10. So we're going to put in 10. And then we can either store in a table or just select Compute. So that means from 40 to 49.9 is 2. And then 22 and then 25. So we have 2, 22, and then 25. And then next we have 12, 2, and 4. So we have 12, 2, and then 4. Now let's check and see if our answer is correct. And there is our answer. Now it says, does the frequency appear to be a normal distribution? Okay, what it means is, does the frequency here, what happens? Is it starting low, then increasing, and then going back to low? Is that what's happening with this distribution? So it starts low, goes up pretty quick, and then goes low, but you can see it's not symmetric. So we're going to say the frequency distribution is very likely not a normal distribution, and that is because the frequencies start low, increase, then decrease, but are not roughly symmetric. Checking our answer, and there is our result.